With Product Add-Ons Ultimate, you can add custom fields and options directly to your product pages, so customers can personalize their order, choose their extras, and upload their files before they even reach the checkout. Every option can carry its own price, which updates the product total automatically as the customer makes their selections. So you always charge the right amount, and you always get exactly the information you need. There's no coding involved. The plugin works from the standard WooCommerce Product Edit screen, and you can have your first field live in minutes. And when you're ready to go further, advanced features like conditional logic, formula-based pricing, and layered product images give you a level of control that most store owners don't even know is possible. It's the #1 rated WooCommerce Product Add-Ons plugin with a 4.8 rating on Trustpilot. And it's easy to see why. Product Add-Ons Ultimate works across a huge range of product types. If you sell personalized products, jewelry, custom prints, monogrammed gifts, it lets you collect the text, initials, or artwork you need right on the product page. If you run a print shop, customers can upload their files, choose their paper type, and specify quantities all in one place. For configurable products like gift hampers or product bundles, customers can pick the contents themselves. For products sold by measurement, flooring, fabric, glass, they can enter their dimensions and get an instant, accurate price. It's just as useful for food businesses adding dietary extras or meal customizations, and for service businesses that want to offer upgrades or optional add-ons alongside a booking. The plugin gives you over 20 field types, so you can collect exactly the right information from your customers and charge for it in the right way. Let's walk through them. Text fields let customers enter a single line of custom input, a name for an engraving, a message for a card, any text you need. You get what you need without a follow-up email. And there are flexible pricing options to go with them. You can charge a flat fee for the personalization, charge per character, or allow a certain number of characters for free before per character charges kick in. As the customer types, the price updates. Text area fields work the same way but accept longer input, ideal for a personal message or special instructions. Checkboxes are perfect for simple add-ons, gift wrapping, an extended warranty, a donation to charity, one tick, and the price is added. With checkbox groups, you can set a minimum and maximum number of selections so customers choose exactly the right number of options. Radio buttons are ideal when you need the customer to pick one option from a set, a finish, a size, a color, where each option carries its own price. Drop-downs work in the same way, but in a compact select field. They're great when you have a long list of options and you don't want them to take up too much space on the page. Swatches take the idea of radio buttons and drop-downs and make them visual. You can display color swatches, image swatches, or text buttons, and when the customer selects one, the product image can update automatically to reflect their choice. It's a much richer experience than a plain drop-down, and it makes a real difference to conversions when customers can see what they're choosing. The date picker lets customers select a date from a calendar, ideal for a delivery date, a special occasion, or anything time-sensitive. You can restrict which days are available, set minimum and maximum lead times, and exclude specific days of the week. Number fields let customers enter a quantity or value, and you can multiply the add-on price by whatever they enter. Sliders let them drag to a number rather than typing. Both are perfect for anything sold in variable quantities, or where the price depends on a number the customer provides. The file upload field gives customers a modern drag and drop interface directly on the product page. They can upload images, PDFs, or any file type you specify, and you can allow single or multiple uploads per field. Pricing is flexible too. You can charge a flat fee for the upload or charge per file. So if a customer uploads 3 files, they're charged 3 times. The price updates as each file is added, and when the order comes in, all the uploaded files are attached to it. You can download everything in a single zip file with one click. No chasing attachments, no lost artwork. Child products are one of the most powerful features in the plugin. They let you use other products from your store as add-on options on a product page. That means customers can build a hamper by choosing from your actual product catalog, add accessories to a clothing purchase, or put together a bundle, all from a single page. What makes this different from standard add-on options is that child products carry their own inventory, their own SKU, their own weight and dimensions. So stock levels update automatically when options are selected, Shipping costs are always accurate, and your pick lists stay clean. Everything stays in sync. Calculation fields let you set prices, or any value, using a formula based on what the customer has entered. The classic example is a product sold by area. The customer enters their width and height, and the plugin calculates the area and sets the price accordingly. But the same principle applies to anything where the price depends on a measurement, a quantity, or a combination of inputs. You can even use lookup tables. So the plugin reads a value from a table based on what the customer has selected and uses that to set the price. It eliminates the need for customers to call for a quote. They get an instant, accurate price right on the page. Conditional logic lets you show or hide fields based on what the customer has already selected. So if a customer chooses gift wrapping, a message field appears. If they don't, it stays hidden. The page stays clean and focused, and customers only see what's relevant to them. Global add-on groups let you create a set of fields once and assign them to an entire product category or to every product in your store. Update the group in one place, and the change applies everywhere instantly. The pricing summary panel shows a running total of the base price plus all selected options, updating live as the customer configures their order. So they always know exactly what they'll pay before they hit Add to Cart. And if a customer changes their mind, they can return to the product directly from their cart, update their selections, and carry on. Fewer abandoned carts, happier customers. Adding a field takes less than a minute. Open the product, click the Product Add-Ons tab in the Product Data section, add a group, add a field, choose the field type, give it a label and a price, and save. That's it. The field is live, the price updates automatically, and the customer selection appears on the order. Product Add-Ons Ultimate is built to work alongside the rest of the plugin Republic family. If you use bookings for WooCommerce, you can add custom fields directly to bookable products. Collecting the number of passengers, dietary requirements, or special requests at the point of booking. Everything you need arrives with the booking, no follow-up required. It's also fully compatible with our dynamic pricing and discount rules plugin, so your store-wide promotions and your add-on pricing always work correctly together. And with WooCommerce members only, you can show or hide entire groups of add-on fields based on membership status or user role. So you can offer exclusive options to your best customers. The plugin is also WPML certified for multilingual stores and has built-in support for multi-currency. WooCommerce Product Add-Ons Ultimate is compatible with all WordPress themes and page builders. It's backed by a 14-day money-back guarantee and world-class support, so you can try it completely risk-free.